everyone. Thought I'd come today and kind of give you a little peek at a journal for no reason. Shannon Green kind of started it, and mine is handmade with manila file folders, and I kind of like it. I've used elastic bands in the binding, so I've just been going to give you a little peek through. I've just been gluing. I'm not anywhere near to the end, but I have been gluing, and these are some of the pages I have so far. Everything so far has been glued in here with a glue stick. A lot of it is print paper that I used my jelly print to print on. Some of these have a little glitter in them, which is fun. I think I've gone about as far as I'm going to go with jelly prints. I'm not sure what I'm doing with the rest of the book, but it'll get filled up for no reason. I've got some elements. I'll just give you an idea. Had these hanging around in my studio for quite a while. Stuff like that. More pages here if I can get them out. Just different pages. Different things need to get used up. A little map, cards, little, I'm not really sure, little cutouts of things, cards, and these are little tickets. So yeah, odds and sods, and here's some stamps, and yeah, I'm gonna use all this stuff up. I actually have this painting, if you can see that. I have this painting in my living room, but this is a stamp. Neat. So I'm not sure what these are even. Gibson and Sons, Popular Games, I guess. They were game cards of some sort. These are some kind of game cards as well. Yeah, this is fun. Practical Dictionary, cut from a trio tablet. It's a scorecard. Textbook pages, some oriental, feels like almost like tissue paper. Yeah, it is. These have already. Oh, I see. Yeah, that might go into my en masse journal. So there's that. I've been working in that, and still going to be working in that for a while. On and off. That's not an everyday project. This is another elastic band bound book that I have, that I had started a long time ago, and it just has now become wipe off paper and stencils, leftover stencil, paint on stencils. Yeah, it's kind of fun. This one's fun. I like it. And the reason I haven't been doing a lot of videos up until today is because the new pipe that my husband made for me in this room didn't work with my camera. My camera kept slipping and sliding and not staying. Even with Velcro, it did not work. So I got I don't know if you can, I've kind of wrecked it. I've wrecked the packaging. Hang on a second. Might be able to salvage some of it. I don't know. An Ultra Clamp 2.5 inch. It's a Pedco. And it's actually really meant for, well, for cameras on a bike, like a motorcycle, handlebars, that kind of thing. So this is working today. I am amazed. I can see that my camera is charging, it's working, nothing has slipped. It's a little cattywampus at the moment, but I did it myself. So, and I have to learn to do it myself because I have to unclamp the whole clamp because it's screwed into my camera. Like, it has that 1/4 inch screw. So if you need something to do your videos, that would be awesome. I found it on online, and then I went to Amazon to see if they had it, and they do. So again, that's a Pedco Ultra Clamp. And they have different sizes, 1.5, 1 to 1.5 inch, 2.5 to 6.4 centimeters. Okay, but this is a 2.5 inch, the one I have on my camera. I mean, the clamp itself spreads to 2.5 inches because the pipe it's hooked onto is 1.5 inches. So their smaller one went to 1.5 inches and already we're at max, so I have to go one up. But anyways, so far so good. I hope that this is really going to work for me. So we'll see. So anyways, these are just ubers and ubers of pages that I've, like I say, I've used stencils, they're wipe-offs. I don't know if I've used my brayer in here. I don't think so. I think some of them have been testing pages to see. I've been trying to make my own sprays, my ink sprays. Oh yeah, here's some paint. Acrylic. It's the first acrylic paint in this book so far. And back into water. What I mean by water is water soluble paint. Here's some more acrylic. I don't know how much more there is in here. There's lots of pages though, really. I know there's more. Yeah. This is more acrylic. I know some of you are using dictionary pages for using up paint. Yeah, that's all there is. So, other than doing art journal prompts, I haven't been doing a whole lot, but I plan on changing that. So, if this works for me, Yay. Yay to the new Pedco. Is it Pedco? Yes, Pedco clamp. So, take care. Bye now.